Hey there. Sorry if you can't hear this very well, the AC's on. But first we're going to take our post 4x4x8 here, and you want it to be a third covered by the ground. So a third of it should be in the ground, 2/3 of it above ground. So we got that. Much easier to dig here than in Austin where we used to live. I'm just going to check it real quick so you can see.
I've got no alibi for what I've done. Took what you treasure and I'm never.
We're going to pour a little bit of this concrete, high strength concrete mix into it on the bottom, just a little bit, maybe like a couple inches. And then stick the post in and then fill the rest around and then pour water in. But kind of already leaning on by itself, which is a good sign.
Sunshine, sunshine, sunshine. I think I found it now. What I've been looking for. Isn't it beautiful? It's got my head all up in the clouds. I think I found it now.
I dug it, posted 3 feet deep. The concrete's right there. We got a foot left, and then go all the way to the top. And this probably should be a little bit closer to the gate or to the house. But I'll just put a picket there so that it's not too weird. So. It's on this side of the house, no one sees it. But we're gonna let it dry for like 5 minutes and come back and make sure it's straight still. And see you in a sec. Alrighty, I'm back. It's been like 5 minutes. Check this real quick. And then next up we have the gate, which I don't know if I'm gonna do today. I might do it tomorrow. Because it's Sunday night and yeah, it's been a little bit rough today with the kids. We're going to take this fence, turn it into a gate, hold on to your buckets, and see you in a second. Alrighty, we're back. It's been a while because it was hurricaning out here. We had the hurricane and then it rained a lot. Anyways, so we're back here and we got this no sag gate kit. It's basically one that I put similar to my old house, which I did a whole like gate series on there. So go check that series out. It's really cool. Put some nice white pillars, put in some what's called Mighty Mule automatic thing. It's pretty awesome, but go check that out. But this is a different one, very similar but different, and it has the same sort of concept, and it is on Amazon, so check the link in the bio for it. It's basically this: put a piece of wood here, and then you have your hinge. And so all the other pieces on here are basically the same thing. Obviously one side doesn't have a hinge on it, but the other side does. So we're gonna line it up to make sure that it's nice and straight, and so that, you know, I'm building it correctly. The set that I got also comes with a handle here, and then it comes with a latch, and then with screws. So that's really nice. Oh, and this latch also has a rope connected to it, so it's perfect for what I need. Oh, and check this out. It also has a drill bit. How cool is that? We got these two, which will go this way. Here. I don't want your AC's on, so it's kind of loud, but. Okay, I'm also reusing some of this wood here, so I'm gonna have to get the boards off so I can actually reuse it. Sunshine on my face. I got sunshine on my face. Yeah. I got sunshine. I got sunshine. I got sunshine. I gotta let you know. It's so incredible. I'm finally letting go. Up, up and away, yeah, we go. I found my flow right on time, and now I know what it feels like to shine like gold. Up, up and away, yeah, we go. I don't gotta worry about a single thing. I can feel the light coming down on me. Sunshine on my face. I got sunshine on my face. I don't gotta care in the world right now. Alrighty, I put this on a little backwards. So it's supposed to swing this way, but look, open it up. It can't swing this way. That's a neck. Sunshine. put those there on the front of that. So yeah, I guess that's what we're gonna do. So some of these are broke because I broke them, but yeah.
My always have plumes that cover everything. I'm a great disguiser, and I'm gonna flaunt it.
Welcome back. It's been a while since I've been on here. I'm gonna show you the gate in a second. But look, we just put a trampoline together for Christmas, and it's looking good. There's a tutorial on it if you need to put together a tramp. All right, the gate. This working. So we got that. Check. If you look at it this way, check. Now you can see the lines from the old gate or from the old fence there, but this side of the house you like never see, so it really doesn't bother me. Roast me in the comments all you want, whatever. So this is opening on this side. What we got there. So let me show you from this side too. It's like very wet because it stormed a couple days ago. So we got there. Oh, now it's there. And once again, we are on the very end of the cul-de-sac, so you can't even see over here. I know some people will still disapprove of this work, which I don't care that much, but look. You got the normal thing, which I still need to fix that stick coming through. Got the normal gate or fence coming to the gate, and then we have the gate there, which there is a little bit of a gap on the brick. There is one spot here, so I was gonna put a fence post here and a fence post here, but I just haven't yet. Once again, I just don't see it, and it's not that big of a deal to me. But yeah, there you have it. That's the gate. Looks pretty good, pretty easy to do, and some of those posts are split a little bit from the old one, but overall I think it works, and I save money on doing it. So yeah, that's about all for this video. Make sure comment if you have any questions, like, subscribe, and check out my other stuff. So cool, see you later, see you out there. Toodaloo.